Ready to get your departments and PLCs organized in Formative? Here's how to create and manage teams. To share assessments and data visibility within a specific department, grade level, or PLC, create teams in Formative. Visit the Admin Tools section of your account navigation and choose Management. From there, you can create teams that reflect your departments, content areas, or PLCs. Click on a building to begin setting up teams, then use the Add Team button. You'll choose the team type, name the team, and confirm your location details. Click on the drop-down next to a team member's name to change their role. Now your departments, content areas, and PLCs are connected. Head to Admin Tools to start building your teams.